Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check details of a particular webcam of a particular area that you are interested in on the Windy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the menu icon in the right side of the screen, that's the third option. Scroll down till you find this display on map section and tap on webcams in the middle of the screen. Go back to your map and select an area that you are interested in and click on the camera icon. Here you can see the webcam of your selected area, and you can swipe to the right side of the screen in order to see the video footage of that current area that you can see at your screen. If you want to check details of that area, tap on the edit webcam icon in the middle of the screen indicated with this pencil image, and then you can see the title of it. So you can also edit these information, but this section is also good to get to know to that section or that area, such as its title, the web page, views, categories, its location, the stream type, contacts, elevation, and image URL. So you can also edit any of these aspects. If you think that something is wrong or not correct, just simply click on the edit button, this pencil image, and indicate the correct features. So here you can indicate if you have any other issues, such as that it displays the wrong location, the image is poor, there's no image, and so on, by tapping on the relevant one. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.